What's up, my man? This is Archie Hudas, Anemia Ventras. I have nice tricks again. I have one deck of cards here. Okay, this is our trick. Okay, before we start the tricks, I have a prediction here. Okay, yeah. So deck of cards, I will take a half of the deck. I will shuffle. Okay. Shuffle. Okay. You see? Different card. Card. Okay, because I alone here, I will go with my own self. This is my idea to take 1/3 face up and 1/3 here also face up, and I will mix here, shuffle. Same thing, shuffle, and I will take a 1/3 face up again, and here also, and I will shuffle this, and I will shuffle this. Okay, and I will take a 1/3 again. Face up, and shuffle this again. Okay, one more shuffle. So if you see, our deck of cards is upside down. They have face up, face down, the back, face up, face down. Okay, before we start, I have a prediction here, right? Okay, have a look to our prediction. It's written here. Did you see? Okay, I will take out this. It's written. I have a 24 face down. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it's true, they have a 24 face down there. And the next is Sweden. I have a 10 red. See, 10 red. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 red. And the next Sweden. All spades. All spades. Have a look. Spades. Oh, spade. Alright. And the next written ace of spade until king of spade. Look. 1, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, 2, king. Alright. So, this is the problem. After back, it's written set king of clubs. Tanan! Archie Udas.